How to fix the application encountered an unrecoverable error in Roblox. So first, what you want to do is just open up your device manager, and to do that, just simply go to this Windows menu icon here, or the start menu icon, and simply right click on it, and this will pop up. Then click on device manager just right there. And once you're here on the device manager, just go to the display adapter right here. Click on that, the arrow button, and you might see two of display adapters or only one, but just update all of it. So to do that, just simply right click on it and update driver. So click on search automatically for drivers. And once that's done, it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then do this to all other display adapters to update. Once that's done, you can just exit out. Next thing that you want to do is click your Windows button on your keyboard, then click the R key on your keyboard at the same time. So Windows plus R, and this will pop up the run program right here. Then just simply type in %temp%, then click on OK, and this will pop up. So just simply click all of it or select all of it. Once you've selected all of it, just simply delete it. And if this pops up, just click the tick box right there, which says do this for all current items. Then click on skip. Then that should be good. Exit out of that. And if it still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is reinstall Roblox. And to do that, just go to their start menu again and search for Roblox player. Then click on uninstall right here, and it will bring you to the installed apps. Then search for Roblox on the list of apps right here, and I have Roblox just below the right Vanguard app, so I have my Roblox right here. Then click on the three dot icon, which is called the overflow. Then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again, then wait for it to uninstall. And once that's done, just exit out of the settings and open up your browser. Once you're on your browser, just go to the Roblox website. Then open up any game. So let's say I want to open up Blox Fruits. And just click on play. And this should pop up. It says Roblox is now loading. Just wait for it. And wait for it till this pops up, which says download and install Roblox. Just simply click on that. And wait for it to download. Then go to downloads. I'm just going to save it to my downloads folder. Then click on save. Wait for it to save. As you can see at the top right, it is done. Just simply click on the exe file right there. And wait for it to load. And now this pops up, which says installing Roblox. Just wait for Roblox to install. Now it's done, and it says starting Roblox. And as you can see, it has worked. And that's how you basically fix the error.